How to fix mouse not working in Windows 11 and 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to fix mouse not working in Windows 11 and 10. To fix it though, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, what you could always do is you could check your keyboard. If you're using a wireless, then you could go ahead and disconnect it first of all. Let's say if you're using a Bluetooth, then if you're using a wireless one, you could go ahead and check your either connections or try unplugging it and see whether that works or not. Similarly, for the wire ones, you could also try unplugging, or you could also try switching to a different mouse if you have so. If not, what you could do is you could simply come to this page and go to the search bar and type in device manager. And here, what next you have to do is you want to locate mouse, or you just want to click on mice and other pointing device. You want to double click onto it and you could find options, right? So here you want to double click onto it and you want to go to drivers and click on update drivers and see that works or not. Eventually, after doing this, you want to come to the next field. You want to do the same procedure, go to drivers and click on update drivers, and that should be able to help you out. If not, what you could also do is you could also simply try restarting your device and see whether that fixes or not. Issue still persists on, then you could also check for a Windows update. So click on the search bar and go to settings. And while you go to settings here, click on Windows Update in the top right corner of your screen and see whether you need to install it or not. So this is the way you could fix mouse not working in Windows 10 or 11. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.